It's a different one. The customer asked us to come up with a Native American theme. And so when you don't have 100% direction from the customer, it makes it challenging, but also fun at the same time because it's kind of creative. So as a team, we're all scouring the web looking for some sort of ideas to inspire us. We started off. We thought this would be really cool to have all the walls with this patterned fabric, and then we put it on and it looked really childish. And so it's kind of a revamp and refocus. So we kind of narrowed it down and made it just on a line, but then muted it. We put like a canvas on the wall to take away from the wood look. And so the whole vibe is like a natural Southwest theme. So if you look at like the countertops, we use actual live oak wood. All the trim on here is actual hardwood that we cut down and shaved down and glossed. We go shop at the stores and find pictures, and got actual deer skins, hides that we'll use. And so it's really cool when you can get creative. And that's kind of why we all love what we do and why we're motivated, is because we have the ability just to think and make. So at the end of the day, it's exciting, and we hope the customer loves it. This was a formed piece that was already here. And so we painted it, and then we wanted to do our twist to it. So we got bull horns and epoxied them onto the handles to give it that touch. And then we kind of step back and we look at it, and you're looking at it and you're like, what else can we do? And then one of the guys said, let's do some Indian writings on the wall so you can see those. And those all have meaning. I don't know what it all means. I know what the 3 teepees means: a home. But they all have some sort of meaning: water, fire. The hand is like no one left behind, like they would do that before they went to battle, to leave their print. And so there's a story behind it. We also got cool things like we did a tabletop, like with Indian. It's inspired like with Indian heads. So we found these online and got a bunch of real rock Indian heads and then made the table for it. And the customer just wanted to be able to sleep up front. So we have that U shape up front, and they just wanted the 2 beds in the back. If they're buying a vintage trailer, they want to keep it somewhat vintage. This is a completely different build because it's a theme concept versus, just a regular build.